Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to review this portable car jump starter, and at the end I'm going to give it away to 2 lucky viewers. And no, I am not a seller. I've actually been using a similar product made by a different brand for many years, and I absolutely love it. And lately I've decided that every time a vendor hits me up to do a video review and I found the product interesting, I'm going to do a review only if they send me a couple of examples, so at the end of the video I can give it away to some lucky subscribers. A portable jump starter does exactly what it sounds. It basically jump starts the car in case your battery dies. But on top of that, this device can also charge your electronics and serve as a flashlight. But let's get on with the review. This product is made by Utrai. It's a 13,000 milliamp hour battery capacity jump starter, and it says it can jump start a typical car up to 20 times. Let's take a look inside. When you open the box, you have this foam protector which we can discard. The actual unit is wrapped in this plastic. When you open it up, this is it, and I've got to say, first impression, it feels very solid. It's a very sort of funky and futuristic design. I quite like it. These things do not serve any function, but they look kind of cool. So now let's see what we have. This is your on and off switch. This is your battery meter. It tells you how much battery capacity you have left. There's nothing on this side. In the back, when you flip it, you do have your flashlight, which is this LED bulb. And when you flip it this way again, it comes back to home. Now, on this side, you've got your USB-A, and also USB 3.0, or was it USB-C? And here, under this flap, you've got the port which will be used to jumpstart the car. Now, if we set this aside, inside of the box, when you start digging deeper, you've got the following. You've got this little box that's inside of this box. And inside you will find, you will find the actual jump starter cable which connects to the actual device, and the user manual, which we'll not need because this is a very simple thing to use. Oh, I almost forgot. You also get this USB-C plug which is used to charge this device. If I were to compare this unit to the one that I've been using for a couple of years, this one is a lot lighter than this one, even though mine is a lower capacity. So even though mine is less efficient, it actually weighs a lot more, and you can definitely feel it. Maybe mine has a cooler design. It looks like a car tire, but I've got to say this one looks a bit more futuristic. Also, the way you charge mine, you've got this proprietary, actually it's here, proprietary charger. So if you happen to lose the charger, you are screwed. In this case, if you lose the cable, you can pretty much use any USB-C plug. So in this case, this definitely feels like a bit of a modern design, and I would prefer to use this over that. To turn it on and start using it, you flip it to the side. There's an on and off switch. You flip it to the on position, and it tells you how much battery capacity you have left. Currently, we're at 75%, which means a couple of jump starts and definitely a lot of uses of the LED flashlight. Speaking of which, this is the LED flashlight, and to turn it on, you hold the power button until it turns on. Okay, it takes a couple of seconds, but it does turn on, and I've got to say, it's a very nicely focused flashlight. Yes, I would not be using it to go hiking in the middle of the night, but if you are stuck on the side of the road changing a tire, this would provide more than enough light. And when you do have to use it, you flip it to the side, make sure it's in the off position, open up this little rubber flap, and it reveals these inlets. This plugs in this way, and it looks like a display here. So this display, let's see what this tells us. I wonder if this tells us the battery charge.
And the user manual, which we'll not need because this is a very simple thing to use.
Well, there's only one way to find out. We've got my old BMW here. Let's plug the red to red and black to black. And sure enough, this tells you how charged your battery is. So we are at 13.1 volts, which is pretty good. So because of the fact that this device has a display which tells you how charged or discharged the battery is, it means it is yet another notch against my old device. So there you have it. In my mind, every driver out there should have a device like this in their vehicle. 1, to protect themselves from getting stranded in the middle of nowhere, or 2, to look cool if you want to jumpstart a neighbor, which happened to me. I actually happened to jumpstart my neighbor a couple of times, and each time I jumpstarted him, I looked super cool. And we're done. Now, if you want to get one of these two devices, all you have to do is you have to make sure you are a subscriber, comment under this video, give me thumbs up, and after 7 days of me posting this video, I'm going to select a winner. I'll contact you to get your address. I'll pay for shipping and everything else, so you will not have to worry about anything. Now, if you would like me to make more of these types of videos, let me know by also commenting below. But also, if you're a vendor who watches my videos, if you have an interesting product, I myself would be interested in doing that type of stuff. So it's a win-win situation, I think, especially since I'm giving these things away to my loyal subscribers. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.